Hello, welcome. Question 45. If the image of x under the mapping x mapped to 2x plus 3 is what? 3. We have to find the value of x. We can see this can be taken as f of x as a dependent variable equals to 2x plus what? 3. So this is showing the function f of x equals to 2x plus 3. Meaning from here, the image of x under the mapping is this. Meaning there is a certain value of x. If we substitute into this relation, the answer will be 3. There is a certain number that when x assume, it gives us a value of 3. That is the image as 3. So it means that if we are having f of x equals what? 3. Then it means the whole of this become 3. This 3 equals to 2x plus what? 3. Let's group like terms. 3 minus 3 equals to 2x. 0 equals to 2x, meaning x is going to be what? 0. So you can see, when we put 0 here, here will be 0. 2 times 0, 0 plus 3. That will give you the value to be 3. So the answer we are looking for is what? 0 is the image of x under which this will give you a 3. So we have the option C. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.